Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to make an incredibly simple but delicious dessert. This is Flapjacks, a snack that is very popular within the UK. In America, I know that the word flapjack means pancakes, which is something very different to what we are going to be making, as this is a baked oat bar. We're going to begin by adding our oats to a large mixing bowl. We're using 500 grams of oats. To this, we're going to add around 70 grams of granulated sugar before giving it a mix. We're then going to add 200 grams of melted margarine. You can use butter for this as well, but margarine would be the cheaper option. Finally, we're going to add 170 grams of golden syrup. You could also use something like honey for this, but I think the taste of the golden syrup leads to a better overall taste at the end. This is also the time that you could add something like raisins to it if you would like, but we're going to keep ours plain. We're then going to mix all of this together very well until all of the oats are completely coated in everything. This should lead to a fairly sticky mixture, and the colour of the oats should have all changed. Next, we're going to line a cake tin with some oil and then place some baking paper into the pan. The oil will help the baking paper stick to all of the corners. To help the baking paper fit completely, it will probably be best to cut lines in each corner. We then simply just put our oat mixture into the tin, using the wooden spoon to press it into the corners. Then using the bottom of a glass to just press it down and try to make it as compact as possible, as this will lead to a better texture at the end. We then bake at 180 degrees for around 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown. Once fully cooked, we're going to take it out the oven and let rest for around an hour. This will help the flapjacks firm up. However, you could eat them straight away, they would just be slightly looser. We're then going to cut into 12 large pieces. However, you could cut this into smaller pieces if you would want, and they are ready to enjoy. Flapjacks are by far the easiest recipe we have showed, and I would highly recommend this to anybody that is trying to get into baking. This is also perfect if you're the type of person that has oats lying around your house that you need to use up. And there you have an incredibly delicious and easy snack that would be perfect for any time of the day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check our social media handles in the description below.